Hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to Flavors and Knowledge. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and many of you have sent me emails for some suggestions on cooking with wine. And as a chef and a researcher passionate about culinary exploration, I've discovered early on in my career that incorporating wine into dishes is a fascinating aspect of cooking. And when used in moderation and thoughtfully, wine can enhance flavors and depth, but most of all complexity to the overall culinary experience, and even acts as a natural tenderizer, making your food a versatile and essential ingredient in classic dishes from different various cultures. One of the benefits of cooking with wine is its rich aromatic compounds and unique flavors, which permeates the ingredients during the cooking process, creating a delightful taste that elevates the entire dish. And whether used as a marinade, deglazing liquid, or ingredient in sauces, wine brings a complex mix of acids, sugar, and tannins that add depth to the taste profile of a dish, harmonizing the other ingredients for a well-rounded and a memorable culinary experience. Moreover, different types of wine lend themselves to various recipes, making a versatile ingredient that can transform dishes from different cultures. Some of the most iconic dishes that feature wine include, of course, the coq au vin from France, risotto al barolo from Italy, the beef bourguignon, again from France, and perhaps gambas al ajillo from Spain, to mention just some of the most important. These dishes showcase wine's ability to enhance the dish's flavor profile and create a well-rounded culinary experience. However, there are potential drawbacks to consider when cooking with wine. One concern is the alcohol content, which may remain in a dish even after cooking, making a concern for individuals who avoid alcohol for health, religious, or personal reasons. The quality of the wine used in cooking can also significantly impact the final dish, with low-quality wine potentially overpowering the other ingredients. Additionally, some people may have allergies or intolerance to specific components, such as sulfites, so it is essential to be mindful of the guest's dietary restrictions when using wine in recipes. But despite these concerns, cooking with wine has a long and storied history dating back thousands of years to ancient civilizations, such as the Greeks and the Romans. They used wine as a cooking ingredient and food preservation method. The wine gained prominence in European cooking during the Middle Ages, particularly among the upper classes, and the French developed sophisticated culinary techniques using wine, which later spread to other parts of Europe. The famous French wine regions such as Bordeaux and Burgundy became synonymous with exquisite dishes enriched with local wines. And so to summarize, dear listeners, cooking with wine is an art that has transcended time and borders, enriching dishes and creating memorable culinary experiences. And as a chef and a researcher, I will continue to explore and celebrate the delights of cooking with wine, always keen on preserving its benefits while being mindful of its possible detriments. And that does it for this episode of Cooking with Wine here on Flavors and Knowledge. Check back with you on the next round. Stay well and eat safe. Ciao, ciao.